Crime Scene Cleanup in Schenectady. What to ask before hiring. Crime Scene Cleanup is a crucial service dealing with the removal of biohazardous materials like blood and bodily fluids.
It's vital for preventing disease spread.
If you're in Schenectady, NY, and need this service, choose a reputable company. They should be licensed, insured, experienced, and have a good reputation. The cleanup process varies per case, but generally it involves securing the scene, assessing damage, removing biohazards, cleaning and disinfecting, and restoring the scene to its pre-incident condition. The cost can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the job's size and complexity. Ooh, you might wonder how to ensure proper cleanup. The answer is simple. Hire a reputable company. They have the right training and equipment. As a consumer, you have the right to choose a reputable company and be informed of the cost up front. If you need crime scene cleanup services in Schenectady, NY, don't hesitate to reach out to a licensed and insured company with a proven track record. Call us for more information. Call 845-394-5765. Thanks for watching.